Today, I'm going to show you how to make eggs two ways using the AnolonX with SearTech technology. Right now, I've preheated my pans on a medium heat setting. Always want to make sure you do preheat your pan. We're going to use a little bit of oil for the fried egg. And again, with the SearTech technology, the oil is going to stay right in the middle of the pan under the egg where we want it. I'm going to add some butter here for the scrambled egg. So you're seeing the butter is getting a little foamy already. We're gonna let that cool down. Now that the pan's nice and hot, first we're gonna set our fried egg right here. Go. Nice sizzle. We're gonna let that set for a moment. The SearTech is gonna do its job and basically make that little separation between the egg and the nonstick, so it'll be able to release much easier. And the scrambled egg we've got right here, already whisked it up, a little bit of salt and pepper. The scrambled egg, we're gonna do a little differently. We're gonna actually keep moving this guy around. And what I'm gonna do is, as soon as I put it in there, I'm gonna actually turn it down to low. And I'm gonna keep moving the scrambled egg around so it cooks thoroughly, but nothing's gonna stick here. Because of the flush rivets as well, nothing is gonna stick to any kind of riveting. I've only used salt and pepper in the eggs. You can actually, if you wanted to add cheese or something like that, you can do that if you wanted to. And I'm just gonna keep moving this around just to your desired consistency. I like mine a little bit more runny. These actually look, they're gonna be done pretty quickly. All right. My fried egg is looking pretty good over here. Okay, so I think these are gonna be done. Again, you can leave them a little bit longer if you like them more runny. Everything came out of the pan, really nice. If you need to, just use your scraper, get anything off there. I'm gonna turn this one off. All right, and this guy, we're gonna flip him now. All right, see here. Just gonna give him the flip. Right there, let it cook just a moment. And then let's take him off of here. All right. We're gonna put a little bit of green on here, on the scrambled eggs, just for a color. A little salt and pepper on the egg. And there you go, AnolonX eggs two ways.